An ocean world lies deep beneath the surface that is not made for human eyes. Right below the calm blue water we see from above, a completely different reality slowly begins, where light disappears and life takes on forms that seem almost unreal to us. We have been to the moon, and we are learning about distant planets and even the universe itself. Yet, we have still not fully explored 5% of our own planet's ocean. Just think, the world closest to us remains entirely unknown. The upper layer of the ocean is called the sunlight zone. This is where everything is most familiar. Sunlight shines down, and plankton generates energy from that light. Small fish eat the plankton, larger fish eat the small fish, and thus a massive food chain is formed. Everything feels normal and much like the world we know. But the further down you go, this familiar world slowly begins to change. Descending about 200 meters, the light grows weak, and this is where the twilight zone begins. It is a strange boundary where light both exists and does not. Sunlight reaches it, but it is so weak that it can no longer fuel life. There are no plants, no green. There is only a slow descent into deep darkness. So how does life survive in this darkness? The answer comes from above. Layers of dead plankton, fragmented organisms, and tiny particles slowly drift downward. While this might seem trivial to us, it is the foundation of survival for this dark world. The creatures of this realm are entirely unique. The bodies of many are so transparent that their internal organs are visible, as if they want to vanish and become invisible. This transparency is their defense mechanism because being seen in this darkness means danger. However, not everyone hides. Some create their own light within the darkness, such as bioluminescence. Here, this light is not just for beauty, but a weapon for survival. Some use this light to lure prey, while others use it to make themselves invisible. Certain creatures mimic this faint incoming light with their own body glow, blending right into the light itself. There is also a massive mystery. Every single night, billions of creatures rise upward from this dark layer. Fish, squid, and jellyfish all move together in search of food, and by dawn, they all head back down. This phenomenon is called vertical migration, the largest animal migration on Earth. Interestingly, this movement is so massive that sonar machines once mistook these swarms of creatures for the ocean floor. The twilight zone is where the familiar rules of the Earth begin to break down. Here, transparency becomes armor, light becomes a way to hide, and life transforms in ways we still do not fully understand. And waiting beneath this boundary is an even deeper, darker, and more unknown world. After passing the twilight zone, a layer begins inside the ocean where there is no light left at all. This place is called the midnight zone. There is no